Force them into those jars. You're giving them too much room.
Before we put the jars on, we're going to put this inside the jar.
Yeah, just dump that in one of the jars.
I thought you need that for ventilation
It'll stick.
down there.
Yeah, we were, but we're gonna, because we're trying to get them in these jars.
Yes.
Force them.
We're gonna try to force them more. Okay, Gabriella, spray this. Honey, spray this a little bit here, just to get them.
Spray water on them to make the bees go inside and it better.
Is that guy dead? Everything is done very slowly.
Mm-hmm. Calm and slowly. And the bird bath
I'm gonna try
here,
something else too.
they are really for the bees.
One bear jar?
Really, the bird bath is for the bees.
Jar with a big hole.
Okay.
If I'm thinking those holes are too small
Okay.
for this process.
Fine.
So.
Yeah, they had to flick the bee
That's how
off.
people learn things. They try different stuff.
Gabriella can eat the brave.
Boy, Gabrielle, you're a natural.
Make sure it's pushed in a little bit, just so that they don't knock them over. And they're sealed to some degree. Okay. This
Here at all now.
no. So this box here will not get glued in because they're not really underneath that. And then you put the lid on it carefully.
Right here?
Yep.
Look,
And
put
that's-
ventilator on top of that, maybe?
Well,
No.
I wonder. Well, that won't give me any ventilation.
Oh,
I could put it on there to just keep. Nah, we won't
Okay.
even do it.
This part isn't even part of that.
Yeah,
so
just yeah, that's not gonna do any good.
futile.
Let's just see how they do. Okay.
Why,
Less is more, I think.
Yeah.
why are there no ventilation holes in the actual hive area?
Well, there's ventilation underneath it,
Okay.
and we're just gonna leave this out. Let them eventually go back in themselves.
let the bees go in back into the hive by themselves. And Gabriella
You see, you
got a part
haven't
of the
stressed those bees at
honeycomb.
all.
Right.
We got a piece of a honeycomb.
We put it back in the jars.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, wow, great, the beekeeper.